Rishi Gurukulam, creating world leaders. 100% joyful and effortless education.
I have spent about 22 years with Guruji and learned a lot about inside world. In this process, so many other dimensions of mine opened up, and one of the dimensions is of course education and love for children. We had a baby, myself and Neena, my wife. Her name is Vedosi. To give her the best of education under the guidance of Guruji, we started and we developed a program along with a lot of other teachers, Infant SSY program, ISP. It's a very well-known program. We went on to develop a school, very successful school, and ran that school for about 8 years called Met Rishikul Vidyalaya. At one point of time, I felt that we were not able to give the best to our children in the city. So that's where Rishi Gurukulam came about, and Guruji told me that to take this venture in Katarkadak Hills, Pune, and that's where we are here. Rishi Gurukulam, a very, very new phenomena. It's a combination of East and West. Of course, the important question is how do we do it? Our body is made up of 5 elements. We have also designed our education in the 5 elements, as Guruji shares. The earth, water, fire, air, space. The 5 fundamental educations is what we are going to transmit to the children. The most important and the first education is silence. Silence means peace, calmness, relaxation. When the child is relaxed, when the child is not disturbed by anything from the outside world, then silence happens. And that is our forte. That's what we have been teaching in the Siddha Samadhi Yoga programs. And that's the first fundamental education. Out of silence, when a person is silent, peaceful, calm, relaxed, love happens, love develops, and that is the second education which we are going to transmit. Love means the wind element. It is to touch people's lives. When we say touch people's life, means having lots of friends. So that's our forte again. In Gurukulam, if you see, every child is very, 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 very happy. They are calm, relaxed, they are happy. At the same time, they are bonded like a family. So today, if we have 54 children, all 54 feel it's one family. Not only feel, when they ask chocolates or sweets or anything from their parents, they can't think a number below 100. Today. Of course, this will keep on growing because 54 children plus all our parents and teachers who are staying here. So they are always ordering 100. So this is a tremendous bonding, and this is our speciality in a Gurukulam to bring about this bonding. Third education is entrepreneurship, developing entrepreneurship, leadership skills, management skills. So this is all about being useful wherever you are. So wherever you are, you feel it is my place. I give you a small example that if you go to another hall, you find the lights on, you'll automatically put it off, knowing that it is your house till that time. So you find yourself being useful wherever you are. So this entrepreneurship, this leadership building, this all what we teach in the professional insights is given in this particular education. And the fourth one is called appreciating beauty. Adding beauty to whatever you do. Going for excellence means whatever you do it 100%. Just like the 100% memory program. If you do academics, it's 100%. In this 4th level of education, we appreciate beauty. All the fine arts, music, dance, art, everything comes in this. Even if you are cooking, you do it the best. If you are playing music, you are painting, if you are doing sculpture, everything you add tremendous beauty. So you are aiming for excellence, and in that process, whatever happens, with peace and calmness. The earth element is to touch the last person in the world. Even the beggar should be touched and be given everything what we want. So what I have, let everyone have. And what everyone has, I am already part of it. So this seva bhav, the service bhav, let everyone have what I want. Of course, by the way, this all what I have spoken is called Vidya, the Vidya within. And Avidya, which is all about knowledge outside. It's about learning geography, science, maths, history. All this is done. The methodology which we use to teach all this is all full of fun, projects, togetherness, and it need to be 100% joyful education. In short, whatever we do, it should be joyful. If it is not joyful, we are gone off track. Everything here is done extremely joyful in project phase, in group phase, in such a way. In fact, one of the last year, the children themselves set the paper. They had prepared 45 questions, of which we had to choose 15 questions to ask them. So if they are preparing the paper, if they are allowed to set the paper, they were studying whole night for many days to set the paper. Because to set the paper, you need to know the subject. So instead of trying to test them, we tell them you only set the paper. So this is again a unique, never heard of, never done anywhere. What is playway education? It is a mixture of left brain and right brain. Only left brain is very boring. Only right brain also is very boring. When you are able to mix both, then something beautiful happens. So that's how we transmit everything through the 8 intelligence. The linguistic intelligence. Linguistic means all about reading. It is done very playfully. Mathematical intelligence. That means all about maths. It's done all in practical ways. Instead of teaching the child on the blackboard, we take them on the fields. We give them a lot of experiments, whether it be on the fields or sometimes we take them for educational trips. If we take them to a bag factory, we tell them how many bags. We give all the mathematics through a live experience, whether it be through an industry or through agriculture or through even construction. As far as musical intelligence goes, it is not necessary that you have to create music only through a harmonium or through a guitar or thing. Music is there all the time. We encourage the students to play on all instruments. Spatial intelligence means about architecture, basically able to create, painters, sculptures. There's no better place than nature to develop your spatial intelligence. Kinesthetic intelligence goes dance, skating, all these things, anything to do with the body. We have a beautiful sports ground, a beautiful tennis court, activities like karate, cycling. Cycling in Bombay is not heard of because there are only vehicles. So cycling up to the lake, swimming in the lake. Interpersonal intelligence. Interpersonal intelligence means communication with people. Every week we have different groups coming here for our various programs, and every week we have a program by the children to the people. So you'll find all our children extremely open, easy, comfortable, holding the mic. Forget about holding the mic. They will teach you how to hold the mic, handle the music system on their own. They handle the amplifiers on their own. Everything is given a hands-on training. Natural intelligence goes. We are full surrounded with our nature, and all our classrooms are under the trees, over the trees, in between the trees, and they just love studying under the trees. In fact, they don't even know they're studying. They're just simply, it's just pouring out of their own creation. Interpersonal intelligence is all about going within, introspecting. So we have interpersonal class every evening, 7 to 8. In the English term, it's called an intrapersonal class. In our Indian term, we call it satsang, rapid comprehension review technique. This technique is such a way that you are able to effortlessly remember all subjects. Whatever you study, 100%, page by page, with understanding. And the most important part is there is no teacher teaching them. It's a self-learning process. I think once you visit the premise, and the best thing is, not to even hear me, is to speak to our children, interact with the children, be with them for a few days. If you spend 1 week with your family, with your child here, I think you will get all the answers which I need to convey by an experience. So that's what we are inviting people here, that come live with us, join us, and enjoy this tremendous beauty of energy, enthusiasm, spirit.
Rishi Gurukulam, creating world leaders. 100% joyful and effortless education.